This is Home Alarm by Ryan Lee. Goal. My goal was to make a house that had an alarm system. For this project, I used Raspberry Pis, wires, an ultrasonic sensor, LEDs, and a buzzer. Test/rethink. If I had more time to make my project better, I would have customized the house and added more settings, so more distance settings. Demo. I hope you enjoy. And so right here we got the ultrasonic sensor, and whenever something gets too close to it, it makes the buzzer sound. I turned off the code right here, so I want to restart it. Wait. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. And so. Okay.
Okay. So the farther you get different LEDs turned on,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Does anyone have any questions for him? Yeah. Oh, can you tell us what the numbers on the screen mean?
And so this is the distance in centimeters between the ultrasonic sensor and the object.
Mm-hmm. Can you put your hand in front so we can see the numbers change? All right, looks good. Awesome. All right, let's give a round of applause.